I understand in farm machinery and heavy equipment testing of hydraulic solenoid valves, all of the tests can be accomplished quickly and effectively without using a schematic or a voltmeter when using the Bartol MagProbe solenoid valve and relay tester. Can you tell me a little bit about that, how that works?
Yeah, sure. Well, if you're taking farm machinery and you're operating in the field, even under adverse conditions, extreme cold, which we've had in the country, or extreme rain, or any environment, you can get out and check the valve that's supposed to operate the hydraulic system, whether it's raising a forklift or whatever it is, and it's controlled from the driver's seat. You can sit there and watch it, the valve, and if it's some distance away on the machinery, all you have to do is take a little electrician's tape and tape the solenoid valve to the valve, get up in the driver's seat, flip the switch, and watch the valve and see if it turns on. Now, the little black shield that comes with it is for that purpose. We developed for the oil companies because they're out in the open a lot. It's hard to see the LED. So what you do, you just slide that over the red cap, and you can look right down the barrel of it, and you can see it operate even in bright sunlight.
Well, what's the conventional way that technicians normally or mechanics normally test these hydraulic valves on these
it's
heavy
backed.
equipment?
Yeah, it's electrically operated hydraulic valves. But the problem with, you're back to voltmeters again, where you get down off the machinery, and if you're in a driving rain or in cold, it's difficult to make contact with it. Under those adverse conditions, sometimes your voltmeters fail. But with this, you can take it out of a shirt pocket, pull it out. Driver can get down and check the valve right away. You don't have to go into that extent, find out where the wires go, get on a terminal strip, or even try to penetrate the insulation around the wires, which you don't want to do because that will contaminate the wires.
Okay. So basically, it's another case where you're risking damaging a voltmeter possibly very easily in a construction environment, as opposed to putting the tester in your pocket, which is about 3 inches long, roughly. That's what I would estimate. So it's very small and very easy to carry around too. And if you have to tape it to a solenoid, it'd be very easy to do that and be able to view the light from the position that you're sitting in a lot of cases.
Right, exactly. And if you have another person available, they can go down, hold on the valve, and tell you. Just flip the switch, and they tell you. And you can communicate with each other with a cell phone. Okay,
so also the one selling point I see here, one advantage to the MagProbe is that you don't have to be an electronic technician to actually use it. Is that correct?
No, you don't. Yes, you do. You don't have to, because what you do is it's strictly an on and off. Light turns on, powers to the coil, there's current through the coil. 3 things have to be present before you have a magnetic field. That's voltage, current, and continuity. And right away when that light turns on, that tells you have that. Now the last thing you want to know is how long is the valve on. So you want to check the signals, how long the signal's on. It's just like you do with a computer, actually. When you flip a switch on a control from the driver's seat in farm machinery, you know it should turn on right away. When you flip it off, it should turn off right away. And if it doesn't, you will see that because it'll be on a certain length of time.